everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I got Greta in here with me. She's a little wired. We had a tornado touchdown about 6 miles from our house, so it was just another day of storms today. So you might hear her doing her little puppy whiny thing over there. Hopefully she will stay calm. I have my Partners in Cream update for you today. And I was so close, so close to having a complete like roll out, roll in, like refresh kind of thing. Except I have one product that I barely used, but everything else is rolling out, and I will be bringing new stuff in. All right, so we're gonna go in the order in which these were brought in. I don't know if you can see her back there now. She's gonna be like crazy, I guess. This is the one that has been in since day one. It is the Essence Fix and Last 18-Hour Makeup Fixing Spray. It is gone. I am so happy. I use this pretty much just to foil my shadows, and now I'm just using like a water glycerin spray that I make because I have cosmetic grade glycerin, and yeah, it works great for me, and I'm happy to use it. I don't need setting spray. So it is done. It is finished. It is an empty. Out of here. All right, the next one is the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation in 035. This is normally way too warm and too dark for me, but I definitely have some summer color. You can see on my shoulders especially. I've got it on my face. And yeah, it's a little yellow for me, but it works much better this time of year. It's probably going to take me a while to get through it. I only wanted to do 20 uses. I got my 20 uses on it, so it is going back into my collection, and I may pull it out again just randomly to use while I actually have some summer color. But for this project, she out of here. Next, I actually hit my last usage on this today. So very good timing. This is the Pure Lace Blush Glow BB Cheek color in Sweet Rose. I wanted to use this 20 times, and I did. And it hardly looks like I used it. I mean, it's only to like right here. But, you know, I'm not trying to finish it right now. I just want to play with some of the things that I had gotten in PR within the last year. And I enjoyed it. It is very pink. I mean, it is this color pink. And I don't think I could use it when I don't have a tan because I just think it would be too bright on my skin. But I like it in the summertime. It's very nice in the summertime. I have another Pure Lace product. Wow, it's the Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream in my shade is medium. I do like it. It is a little heavier than I think a serum-based BB cream should be, but it's not bad. It is a little bit light. It doesn't really look like it, but it definitely, when I put it on, it looks a little bit light. So, you know, it's going to have to wait to be used up when I don't have a tan. And then the very last thing that is rolling out, this is the Profusion. It's just a dark brown gel liner. It was in the Eyes palette from like, I don't know, many years ago. And yeah, I just wanted to hit pan, which I have right there. Of course, I'm going to have an overlay of it. This one is a little bit more firm than the blue and the purples that I had in earlier in this year. It definitely took a lot more work to hit pan on this one, but I'm not mad at it. I'm okay with that. It is rolling out. The one and only thing that is staying in is a very lovely product. I have so many lip balms and glosses that I'm working on right now. This is the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Balm Gloss. I have to say it slow, otherwise I will trip all over my words. I love this, I really do. It smells like plums, but I've only used it maybe a handful of times. One, because it's potted, which makes it harder for me to use it because I have to pull out. She's whimpering. Oh, poor puppy. I have to pull out a lip brush for it. And when I have like a lip seal and a chapstick literally sitting right here in front of me, I'm going to reach for those first every single time. So I will hit pan on this, or bottom of the jar. I just, you know, it's going to take some more time. So I need to roll in a bunch of stuff. I have 5 things rolling out. I'm just going to go ahead and roll 5 things in, and that will keep me at my 6 products. So I am bringing in the last eyeliner that doesn't have pan from that Profusion Eyes palette. This one is in black, and hopefully it will be fairly easy to hit pan on. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Since I have a cream blush rolling out, I'm bringing in another cream blush. This is from Bobbi Brown. It is the Pot Rouge for lips and cheeks, so I could use it as a lip gloss. I could use it, oh, sweet baby. I could use it as a blush. It looks incredibly dark, which it is, but it does blend out. And I think that is going to work very well for my tan skin. So now is the time to use that. I'm bringing in an e.l.f. smudge pot. This one is Back to Basics, which is kind of a bronzy color. And I just want to hit the pan on the bottom, and you'll be able to see through it because it is clear. So hopefully I will be able to do that. And then I'm bringing in 2 skin tints because I don't want heavy this time of year. And with a tan, it's hard to match because my color is constantly changing. So, you know, I want something that's a little bit more sheer, that's going to be a little bit more forgiving. So I have the Hourglass Veil Hydrating Skin Tint. I want to use this 10 times. And this one is from Bobbi Brown. This is the Vitamin Rich Skin Tint. And this is in Light 2, and this one is in Shade 8. So we shall see how things go. Again, I want to get Greta. She's getting ready to climb into my bathtub. 10 uses each on the foundations. Hit pan on the Pot Rouge from Bobbi Brown, the e.l.f. Smudge Pot, and the black Profusion liner. And of course, continuing on the Glow Recipe Balm Gloss to hit pan on that. Hopefully I will at least have 1 or 2 rollouts by the next update. I love this project. I didn't even give you dates or anything because I suck and I have a dog distracting me. The dates are January 10 to December 10. It was created by Stefan Dillon. They're going to be listed down below. If there is a playlist or anything, that's going to be down below. All the details, all the stuff and all the things. And if if you haven't watched any Partners in Cream before, it is all non-powder makeup products. Anything that has any moisture content to it, that is going to go bad faster. All right, sorry about that. That should have been in the very beginning, not at the end. That's what happens when you have tornadoes in your area and you have a dog that's, you know, restless. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.